Ever pondered over the mystery of game development yet felt deterred by the daunting world of coding? Fear not, as today we're diving into the revolutionary world of no-code game development, specifically focusing on the powerful Buildbox for AI. Imagine crafting your own game, complete with engaging mechanics and captivating visuals, without writing a single line of code. That's the magic of Buildbox for AI, a tool that's been changing the game quite literally in the realm of game development. To kick things off, you'll need to download and install Buildbox for AI on your computer. It's available on their official website and comes with a free trial to get you started. Once you've got Buildbox up and running, it's time to create a new project. This is as simple as clicking on the Create New button on the main screen. You'll be prompted to name your project, so give it a name that reflects the game you're about to create. Next, you'll find yourself in the Buildbox workspace. Here's where the real magic happens. On your left, you'll find the Asset panel. This is your toolbox, packed with pre-made assets like characters, enemies, platforms, and more. You're free to drag and drop any of these assets into your scene. Now focus on the Options bar at the top. This is where you can tweak the properties of your assets. You can adjust everything from the asset's size, position, rotation, and even its physics properties. Remember, the key to a great game is in the details, so don't be afraid to experiment and fine-tune. Moving on, let's talk about the Outliner panel on the right. This is essentially your game's blueprint. It shows a list of all the assets in your scene and how they're connected. You can click on any asset in the Outliner to select it and adjust its properties in the Options bar. The bottom part of your workspace is the Animation timeline. This is where you can animate your assets, giving life to your characters and making your world feel more dynamic. Last but not least, the Node map in the middle is where you can add logic to your game without coding. You can simply drag and drop nodes to create conditions and actions. For example, you can create a node that makes your character jump when a player taps the screen. Now that you've got to grips with the basics, it's time to let your imagination run wild. Create levels, add challenges, and build an immersive game world. And once you're satisfied, you can export your game and share it with the world, all from within Buildbox. Remember, the beauty of Buildbox for AI lies in its simplicity and accessibility. You don't need a degree in computer science to create a captivating game. All you need is an idea, a spark of creativity, and the willingness to experiment. So, why wait? Give Buildbox a try and step into the thrilling world of game development. It's an adventure that promises endless fun and learning, and who knows, you might just create the next big hit in the gaming world.